Hello there fellow greeners. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the PyAudio installation error. You'll see what I am talking about in a sec. So when I try to install PyAudio, I get an error. So to fix this, there is a way which I am going to show you now. First, go to this link in the description of this video. Here you have to go down and you will find a lot of libraries, but we don't need to scroll all the way to PyAudio. We can do Ctrl F and it will open up find for us. Now we can type PyAudio and it will give us many options wherever PyAudio is in this web page. We can click this down arrow to view the next option. As you can see, it brought me to the PyAudio library. Now as you can see, there are a lot of links and they all say PyAudio. You may be confused which one to install. Don't worry, I've got you. You just have to open PowerShell or command prompt and type in Python // version. It will give you the Python version you have installed on your computer. If you don't have Python installed on your computer, then it will give you an error. So mine is 3.9.0. You also need to know the bit version of your computer. Mine is 32-bit computer. So I have to install the PyAudio version which is compatible with 3.9 and the 32-bit version of my computer. So you can see this CP27, everything like that. So the CP means the version of Python. So 3.9 means 3.9 and all of them being the same, 2.7, 2.7, 3.4, everything. Now I have to install any one of these, but which one? That is according to which bit version I have. I have 32-bit, so it says here Win32. So I have to click on that to install it. And in a minute it will install. It has installed very quickly. Now I am going to open this in File Explorer, and as you can see, it is over here. Now I am going to open command prompt here. To do that, I have to deselect everything and click on Shift right click. Now as you can see, there is an open PowerShell window option here. I'm going to click on that and it will open PowerShell for me. Now I'm going to copy this file's name. So here is the first mistake I made while installing PyAudio. What I did was just do pip install the file's name, but it will give me an error. As you can see, could not find a version that satisfies the requirement and a lot of stuff. So the solution to this is paste the file name along with the .v extension. Then it won't give me an error and install. As you can see, there is a message called successfully installed PyAudio 0.2.11. So that's how you install PyAudio without any errors on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe.